Welcome to the Auto Catalyst Market YouTube channel. Today's review is of a used catalytic converter K202 Auto Catalyst Market. Sell and buy catalytic converter at real prices. K202, the catalytic converter for diesel engines. It's designed for the cars manufactured in France, such as Citroën Berlingo, Citroën Sara Picasso, Peugeot Partner, and Peugeot 206, and others. The catalytic converter is mounted under the underbody of a car. Exhausted fumes pass through a hot catalytic converter honeycomb coated with a platinum group of metals. By reacting with them, exhaust fumes are cleaned of harmful impurities and become safer for nature and humans. The catalytic converter's aggregate consists of a case made of heat-resistant steel containing chrome, 2 ceramic monoliths, each of 700 grams. Also, there is a seal in between the module and the case made of heat-resistance batt that compensates the heating and the expansion of the monolith. Sooner or later, the catalytic converter will start to wear out, and any responsible driver will think about changing this part. Do not wait until the last moment. Find out where and at what price you would be able to sell your old catalytic converter. The buyer company will evaluate the catalytic converter by serial number or using the spectral analysis. Its price will depend on the amount of the platinum, palladium, and rhodium is in the catalytic converter. Also, the price depends on the technical characteristics, the catalytic converter's condition, the life cycle, the presence of any damages, the petrol, the year of manufacture. The cost of used K202 ceramic catalytic converters on October 16, 2021 was $202.88. Following the link in the description, you can find more detailed characteristics of this catalytic converter. To choose the company that will accept your used catalytic converter, visit this link. AutoCatalystMarket.com. The database of our service contains data on tens of thousands of catalytic converters. Even the most demanding customer will be able to find the information. Still have questions? Ask them in the comments to this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Auto Catalyst Market channel to not miss new videos. Bye!